Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Thursday, June 8th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to keep this video very short, but I just wanted to do it so that everyone know who might be on the fence about purchasing gotbackup is that it is far more than just data protection, okay? Now, it does an awesome job of protecting all of your data on any device that you have, but I'm going to show you something that's equally as cool, okay? So you might use Google Docs or Microsoft Office or whatever platform you use to create documents or spreadsheets or whiteboards. gotbackup has all this inside, all right? So you can see I'm in the software's back office here. This is my account. And if you click on this button right here, you're going to see that you can create a new folder. You can create a text file, a document, a spreadsheet. You can create presentations. You can create forms. There's even a whiteboard, okay? And I have these open already just to show you. All right, I created this on the whiteboard here. It's a fully functional whiteboard. What's really cool about this is you can share this stuff with people. All right, so if you create something like this, you can give them access to this and only this. If you're at work, collaborating with somebody or whatnot, then you have a document here that you can create. All right, so I'm just going to open this up and show you. All right, so here's a document. You can create a document. Again, you can come over here and share this with people, all right, that you might be working with. We have a spreadsheet right here, okay, a fully functional spreadsheet here. Again, it can be shared with others. You can create a presentation like I mentioned. All right, look at it. It's super easy to use. You create it. It saves automatically to your gotbackup cloud storage. You can share this with other people. Everything you need right here. It's a fully functional office suite of tools, including the backup, okay? All right, so for $9.97 a month, you can have 6 separate accounts with this. So yourself, you can share it with 5 other people. You can use this on an unlimited amount of devices. You get 6 terabytes of backup, priority support. It's super easy to use. You can pay $9.97 a month, or you can pay the yearly subscription, $99.97, and save $20, okay? Now, the best part about this is you can use this on any device, right? So you can sync multiple computers. That means if I'm on the road traveling and I have something important on this desktop that I'm recording this video on and I need access to it, all I have to do, log into my gotbackup app on my phone. All right, we have an app now for both Android and the Apple phones, and you can access it. All right, we have no file type restrictions, so you can upload any type of file that you have, any type of formatted file. You can stream music and movies. We have multiple data centers. All right, so our big data centers, it's over a $10 million data center that we have in Texas. What they do is they back everything up there, but then they also have a third-party backup just in case something were to ever happen to the facility. And I'll tell you what, the facility is they have everything up to par. I don't see anything ever happening to it, okay? But just in case something ever did, it's backed up to a third party. We have file versioning, restore deleted files. We have 24/7 support, which is top-notch. And I mean top-notch, okay? We have a live chat button here. We have a phone number that you can call in. You can also write in a support ticket, okay? And then we also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you have nothing to lose by trying this out. Again, you get 6 terabytes of backup storage for $9.97 a month. You can share this with 5 other people for a total of 6 accounts, and you can use it on an unlimited amount of devices, okay? Now, if you want to become a reseller, all right, and earn commissions with this by sharing this with other people, you can do so for a one-time $40 fee. All right, so you can literally start your own business right now today for $49.97, or you can pay for the year and save $20 and pay $139.97. That's what I did. I love paying for the year. I don't have to worry about billing. I don't have to worry about anything. I'm good to go. I share my link with people, and that's it. Okay? If you can post in Facebook groups, if you want, you don't even have to make YouTube videos. I make YouTube videos because I like making YouTube videos. But if you can post in Facebook groups or other social media platforms, you can make this work. Okay? Look at it this way. There's zero competition in this industry, in this business. All right, we have competitors as far as the services go. None of them beat our pricing. None of them beat the amount of data storage that you get for the price. And none of them pay out. All right, none of them have a compensation plan like ours. All right, you can make a lot of money with this company if you're willing to put in the work. Earnings disclaimer is down below in the video description. I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with this, but I can guarantee you that if you do put in the work and treat this like the real business that it is, the sky's the limit. All right? Think about this. There's 7 billion cell phone users in the world. There's over 7 billion now. Almost 7 billion of those cell phone users have a smartphone. Okay? We have an app, like I mentioned, for Androids and for Apple phones. So anybody that has a cell phone, anybody that takes pictures, anybody that makes videos, anybody that runs a business, anybody that has important, information on their cell phone can use this service. And why wouldn't you, right? I did a video a couple days ago talking about when my wife and I had our daughters when they were younger. They're in their early 20s now, and they're both on their own with their boyfriends, and they have, they're doing well. But when they lived here with us, we used to have to pay for not only their cell phones, not only a ridiculously overpriced case for the cell phone to protect the cell phone, but then we'd also pay, I think it was like $15 a month per device for insurance in case something ever happened to their phones. Because believe it or not, each girl went through probably 3 or 4 additional cell phones because they weren't watching what they were doing. The screen cracked and broke. They fell in the water. They set them in the bowl of rice trying to fix it. So each time that something like that happened, they lose all their data on their phone. All right? So you already pay to protect your phone by buying these overpriced cases. Okay? Why wouldn't you want to protect the data that's on your phone? All right? It's a no-brainer. And then on top of that, pay a one-time $40 fee to become a reseller. One-time $40 fee to become a reseller. You can share this with people for the rest of your life. It's never going to become saturated. So there's zero competition, zero possibility of this ever becoming saturated. And the compensation plan, which I've done other videos on, is very, very generous. And it's, like I said, there will be millionaires made with this company. Okay? There will be millionaires made with this company. So anyway, I don't want to go on too long, but I just wanted to show you that aside from backing up all your important data that you have, whether on a desktop, a laptop, a tablet, a cell phone, you have a complete office tool suite inside here where you can create spreadsheets, Word documents, text files, presentations, a whiteboard that you can do presentations on. All right? So for $9.97 a month, you're getting a heck of a good deal. This is a no-brainer. I've been with other companies in the past. This has the best owner and corporate team that I've ever dealt with. All right, I've been doing this for 16 years. I've been doing this full time since 2018. Never seen a company, a corporate team like this. Very transparent. They say they're going to do something, it actually happens. It doesn't, not weeks and months go by without it happening. So I can't say enough good things about this. And so yeah, that's it. If you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will put a link down in the comments section for both our business opportunity if you want to become a reseller, and also the services if you're just interested in buying the 6 terabytes of data backup for you and your family. All right, both links will be down below. And if you find any value in my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving me a thumbs up if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.